Greetings of the day, my dear children. I welcome you all in your EVS class. In today's class, we will discuss about antibiotics. So let's get started. Nearly each one of you has taken antibiotics in your life, at least once, right? What are antibiotics? What are their types? What are their uses? All these questions will be answered in this video. Antibiotics are chemical compounds that kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria. They include a range of powerful drugs and are used to treat diseases caused by bacteria. The target of this medication are microorganisms, more precisely bacteria. Once treated with the correct antibiotics, the bacterial infection is eliminated. In general, antibiotics do not work against viruses or fungi. Instead, they are specifically directed against bacteria. The first antibiotics was discovered by Sir Alexander Fleming in 1928. He observed a spot on his petri dish where bacteria could not grow around fungi. These fungi produced an antibacterial substance which killed the surrounding microbes. It's commonly known under the term penicillin, which would later save millions of lives. This discovery is often described as one of the greatest victories ever achieved over the seas. Based on their spectrum of action, there are two types of antibiotics: broad spectrum and narrow spectrum. Broad spectrum antibiotics are powerful antibiotics used for wide range of bacteria, while as narrow spectrum antibiotics are those which kill only limited species of bacteria. The use of antibiotics such as penicillin first became available during World War II. Antibiotics are also called wonder drugs. In short, antibiotics revolutionized the medical field, and today they are heavily used not only for humans but are also administered to livestock, keeping the animals healthy. So, dear children, this was about antibiotics, their types, and their uses. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Have a good day.